Hey guys, so today I'm showing you how I make bang bang shrimp. So the shrimp is so crispy and the sauce is absolutely delicious. So let's get started with the recipe. Okay guys, so I already cleaned and deveined my shrimp, so now I'm gonna lightly season it. So I'm only gonna season it with some salt and some black pepper, and you want to mix that into the shrimp really well. All right. Then next I'm gonna pour in some buttermilk over the shrimp. I'm using about 2 cups of buttermilk, and you just want to add it in the bowl with the shrimp, and I'm gonna let that sit, give it a mix, make sure the shrimp is like saturated with the buttermilk, and then I'm gonna push it aside and we're gonna mix the cornstarch with some seasoning. So I'm using cornstarch to coat my shrimp. So this is what's gonna make the shrimp extra crispy and just delicious, is the cornstarch. Okay, so I'm gonna season it lightly with I use onion powder, garlic powder, salt, black pepper, some paprika, and a little bit of Old Bay seasoning. I'll list the measurements in the description box down below for you guys, so you can check it out there. Okay, and just mix the seasoning in with the cornstarch. So just set that aside, and now in a separate bowl I'm gonna make the sauce for the bang bang shrimp. So in the bowl I'm adding some mayonnaise, and to the mayonnaise I'm gonna add in some Thai sweet chili sauce and some sriracha. So you want to mix those 3 ingredients together. So when it comes to adding the sriracha to the sauce, you're basically going to add how much you want. So it depends on like how spicy and tangy you'd like the sauce to be. If you want the sauce to be more sweet and more on the mild side, then don't add too much of it. I added about 3, maybe 4 tablespoons of the sriracha sauce, and it was perfect. It wasn't spicy, and it just gave it a nice little zing. Okay, so yeah, add in your sriracha and mix the sauce really well until all 3 ingredients is very well combined and the sauce is nice and smooth. Okay guys, so once you finish mixing the sauce, you're gonna cover it and set it aside, and let's get ready to fry up our shrimp. All right, so what you're gonna do now is simply use a tongue, or if you want to put on gloves and use your hands, whatever works for you. You're gonna take the shrimp, the pieces of shrimp out of the buttermilk mixture, and we're gonna place it into the cornstarch mixture, and we're gonna fully coat it with the cornstarch. Okay, make sure it's fully coated on both sides. We're gonna do that to all the pieces of shrimp, and then we're gonna start frying them. So don't forget to shake off any excess cornstarch on the shrimp before you drop it in the oil. Okay. So I'm getting my frying pan and I'm placing it over medium heat. Then I'm gonna add in some oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, I'm gonna place the pieces of shrimp into the oil, and I'm gonna fry it for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Okay, so once it turns nice and golden brown on the first side, I'm gonna flip it to the other side and fry it for about 3 more minutes or so until it's crispy and golden brown. Don't let it burn. Remember, shrimp cooks really fast. And then once they're cooked, I'm gonna remove it from the oil. I'm placing it on a plate lined with paper towel to soak up the extra oil, and that's it for frying the shrimp. It's such an easy recipe to make. You just gotta fry up the shrimp nice and crispy. Then you're gonna get your sauce, coat it in the sauce, and this recipe is absolutely delicious. It's so good. Okay you guys, so after I let my fried shrimp sit on the paper towel to soak up the extra oil for just a few minutes, I'm gonna place them in a bowl, and I'm using a bowl with a lid because I'm gonna shake it up with the sauce. Okay, so I'm placing the shrimp in the bowl, and then I'm just gonna add the sauce on top of the shrimp, cover the bowl, and give it a good shake. Don't shake it too much because you want to like break up the shrimp and remove that nice crispy crust we just made. So I just give it a light shake to coat it with the sauce, and you'll have this. So yummy, and oh my god, did I see how crispy they are? Yes, you guys. So you could serve the bang bang shrimps by itself, or you could serve it with some perfectly steamed white rice, or how about you make a sandwich? So good in a sandwich. And if you want to see me make this with a sandwich, just keep watching the video, because I'm gonna make it really quick in a few seconds. Okay, so yeah, that's it for the bang bang shrimp recipe, you guys. I garnished it with some sliced scallions, and that's it. So onto a bang bang shrimp sandwich, if you want to call it that. Hey guys, so you want to get some type of bread. I'm using a hoagie roll, and what you can do is the sauce we made for the shrimp, you're gonna add some of that on both sides of the bread. On one side of the bread is totally up to you. Then what I'm gonna do is take a few pieces of the shrimp and just add that on one side of the bread. Add as much as you'd like or how much you want. It's your sandwich. Look how delicious it looks already. Alright, and then to top it off, I'm gonna add some lettuce, and if you want, you could add some mayonnaise. So I'm just gonna drizzle in a little bit of mayonnaise, or you could add some more of the bang bang sauce. But yeah, that's it. So simple. You don't need to do much with this sandwich because the sauce is so yummy, the shrimp is so crispy and delicious. It's amazing. But that's it for the sandwich, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you give it a try. If you do, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for supporting, and I'll see you next time. Bye.